Welcome to number 3 Larkspur Avenue in Doncaster. This is Luna.
I'm Ripple. We are excited to show you this home, side-by-side modern living in heart of Doncaster. The design on this level focuses on comfortable and convenience, providing a peaceful start to the day.
On the ground level, you will find a well-appointed master bedroom. This private retreat features a spacious layout, a generous walk-in wardrobe, and a stylish ensuite. Upstairs, the home offers 3 bright bedrooms. One of these is an extra larger master bedroom, perfect for relaxing in style. In addition, upstairs, there is a dedicated retreat area. This space can serve as a study, a media room, or a quiet spot to unwind.
Every detail in this home has been carefully considered to offer both style and function.
Located in one of the most popular pockets in Doncaster, this home combines modern design with a practical layout.
This exceptional opportunity offers contemporary living at its finest. Welcome to our open inspection.